What's the difference between accountability and responsibility? Hi, I'm Jeff McQuillan from ESLPod.com. Responsibility refers to things that you're supposed to do, things that you are required to do. For example, I have the responsibility of doing the finances, the accounting for my family. Responsibility refers to things that you are required to do or that people expect you to do. Accountability is when someone is watching you, when someone is making sure that you're doing what you are supposed to do, especially, for example, in your job. You may have accountability because the boss or the leaders of the company expect you to do certain things, and they check to see that you are doing those things. That's accountability. If you really want to improve your English speaking, take a look at our special report, free, that explains how you can best improve your English. It's called 5 Things You Must Know to Improve Your English. And you can get it free by clicking below this video. From beautiful Los Angeles, California, I'm Jeff McQuillan. Thanks for listening.